2 birds to guard the young are good, 3 are even better. Magpie geese live in northern Australia, and the journey their goslings have to make in order to feed is also dangerous. Magpie males are very unusual in that normally they will mate with 2 females who will both lay in the same nest, so it's usually 3 adults and only occasionally 2 that escort their young. In the skies above, a sea eagle. It spots a trio with chicks. And they manage to see it off. A pair are an easier target. Angry and brave the 2 adults may be, but it's too late. Attacks can come not only from the sky, but more unexpectedly from below. Crocodiles. Even the adults themselves are now in real danger, and the goslings are very vulnerable indeed. The pair have made it, but only 2 of their 5 young have survived. The trios have succeeded in bringing down 4 or 5 chicks. Here, in the feeding swamps, there is comparative safety. All can join in keeping eagles away, and the water is too shallow for crocodiles. Nonetheless, overall, the journey cost many young lives. But the families that lost least were the trios. So there really is safety in numbers.